Alright. Today I'm going to be making a homemade firecracker. I took apart Mega Banger color pearl flowers. You take the cardboard off of one, and then you take a crackling ball, take that apart. I use the crackling balls for fuses, but you could use the little crackling pieces in there if you wanted to make a little effect. But
what'd you shoot off that time? I was in the house.
one of these.
There was a show on TV one time, a long time ago. They showed them making fireworks. They
Yep.
should have recorded it.
You put the fuse in there just like that. Oh, I'm talking to myself. Perfect. You take your powder. I have Hodgson powder, powder, black powder. You fill it. Up there. Press it. Take some electrical tape. Tape that down. Tape it up around. You around 3 times around, so there's 3 layers, and you just start to wrap it around it, like so. Make sure you don't suffocate your fuse, or it won't light. Or it'll light, but it won't blow up. It'll just suffocate it, and that's it. It'll be a dud. Break that off. All set. Well, let's go shoot it off. That's how to make your own firecracker.